Hey guys, hey buds, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. If you're a new subscriber, welcome. Did a theme.
Hi guys, we're at YSL. I'm getting a bag. I finally decided the same one I wanted last year. Also, I didn't take a hairbrush to my hotel.
I already did a super fresh unboxing video for Instagram, which I can also post here, but this is just going to be my second unboxing, and I just want you guys to see the Saint Laurent I got in Sunset for my birthday a couple of days ago. The sales associate was so nice, so helpful. He even texted me yesterday. He was like, how's your birthday weekend? How's the bag? How's everything going? And it honestly made my outfits like pop, and it made me so happy, and like I just love waking up and seeing this bag. So I feel like it's definitely a good purchase. I wouldn't say it's an investment because people are using the word investment too loosely nowadays. It's not an investment, it was a purchase. You have your classic YSL tag. This is the YSL Sunset, and I got it in a white, kind of off-white, so it adapts to my taupe looking outfits very well. It goes with greens, goes with browns, goes with everything. When you open it, you have 3 different compartments. I've taken out the tissue paper in 2 because I've put my wallet and my AirPods and my keys in here. And you have a little card holder slot, which has my little YSL authentication. And then you have this front part here. It's like a really nice pouch. And then there's a nice little secret back slit right here, which I didn't even acknowledge when I was in the store. You can also store things back there. It's versatile because you can wear it this way, like this. You can wear it straight down, like this. And you can wear it crossbody, like this. The other good thing is the chain is a chain. Whenever I have crossbodies, like with my Jacquemus, my makeup stains the strap. So whenever I put my Jacquemus crossbody, every time I come back home, I make sure to wipe it with baby wipes. For me, in terms of like storage and functionality, I'm going to try and keep it to a minimum just so I don't mess up the bag. I definitely want to keep it like nice and clean, and because it's white, I just have to be more careful with my makeup, how I touch, different things like that. I think it was worth it because I've wanted it for a year. Yeah, it's really cute. Thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed my unboxing and my little review of the bag. If you want me to do any other designer type of unboxings, let me know. Maybe I'll buy a little something. I think I deserve to buy another purse.